I saw you drinking Coke and chip. Coke is not allowed for you because you're drinking it all.
Dog.
I saw you
somebody else.
drinking Coke. You said Coke is not healthy. And you're drinking Coke? Like a lot of Coke. A gallon of Coke.
No, Uncle Mike. Uncle Mike. Man, it's bad. You're not drinking water, see?
Are you kidding me? Papa. I know you are drinking Coke. I know, I saw you
No.
drinking Coke.
No.
Patay ka,
Drink
Papa.
water.
You're going to the hospital.
Yeah.
Patay ka.